Today I'm going to teach you how to do Laura Robb's literacy strategy, visualizing. And visualizing, it really helps you to make a mental picture of the material, and that helps you to understand it. So we're going to practice this strategy, and it's hopefully going to help you to connect visualizing to remembering and to understanding and comprehending. So as I read this problem aloud, I want you to try to make that mental picture and to try to visualize what's happening in this reaction. Solid zinc reacts with aqueous hydrochloric acid to create an aqueous solution of zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. What kind of reaction is this? So to really be able to visualize this, I'm going to write it down and balance it, and then break it down in a second step. So I have zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid to create zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. And then, as I mentioned, breaking it down a little further. So once I've written that out and broken it down, now I'm going to assign a shape and a color to each element. And that's going to really help me in this visualizing process. So I'm going to assign a blue triangle to my zinc, a purple square to my hydrogen, and a green circle to my chlorine. And by doing that, that really helped me to see what's going on in this reaction. So here, my hydrogen and my chlorine, they were together, and my zinc was by itself. And now my zinc is with my chlorine and my hydrogen is by itself. So that pretty much showed me that my zinc and my hydrogen, my purple square and my blue triangle, they switch places. So being able to see that, I'm able to classify this reaction as a single replacement reaction. So now I'm going to read one to you, and I want you to try to visualize this. Try it on your own, and then I want you to talk to your elbow partner about what you came up with and discuss that, and then we'll come back together and compare. So yours is an aqueous solution of sodium bromide reacts with chlorine to form an aqueous solution of sodium chloride and bromine. So after discussing it with your elbow partner, what did you come up with? Here's mine. What you may have done may look different from what I did, and that's okay, because with visualizing, you probably noticed that not everyone assigned the same color or the same shape to the same element, and that's okay. Visualizing is really to help you make that mental image to help you understand it. But this is what I came up with. And seeing here, my blue triangle was with my purple square, where my sodium and my bromine were together. And over here, my blue triangle is with my green circle. My sodium's with my chlorine. So by seeing that, I was able to see here that my chlorine and my bromine, they switch places. So this, again, is a single replacement reaction. So I really encourage you to use visualizing. It's not only helpful in with these reactions to help classify them, but visualizing is helpful in with multiple topics and multiple contents. So I really encourage you to use visualizing as a literacy strategy.